Mandukya Upanishad is a wonderful Upanishad. It is in prose. The 7th mantra is the pinnacle of Mandukya Upanishad. What does it say? Namda prajnam na bahi prajnam no bheda prajnam na prajnanaganam na prajnam na aprajnam adrushtam avyavaharyam agrahyam alakshanam ajindyam avyapadeshyam egatma pratyasaram prapanchopashamam shantam shivam advaidam chaturtham manyante sa atma sa vijneya. Bah. That is the Atma. That is the one to be known. Mark the word. Known. You have to know it. Knowledge alone remains with you forever. Many of you have learned 5 plus 3, 8. When did you learn it? In the 2nd or 3rd class. Is not the knowledge remaining with you even now? Or has it gone? Nothing but knowledge will remain with you. What is the knowledge? Namdah prajnam nabahif prajnam. I don't know whether I should explain this. It is not internal consciousness, nor is it external consciousness. No bheda prajnam. Nor is it a combination of the two. Na prajnam. It is not simple consciousness which you have. Na prajnam. It is not the unconsciousness that you have in swoon or sleep. Adrushtam. It cannot be seen by the senses. Avyavaharyam. You cannot interact and transact with it. Adrushtam avyavaharyam. Agrahyam. It cannot be grasped by the senses, by the mind, by the intelligence, or by the ego. What are you hearing? It cannot be grasped by a process. Alakshanam, it does not have any characteristic or character, like milk is white, fire is hot, ice is cold. Agrahyam, alakshanam ajindyam. It does not have any special lakshanas which I can relate so that you can grasp. Avyapadeshyam. It cannot be exposed also very well. Egatma pratyasaram. But it is the only essence. Called Atma means the I. Whatever is denoted by the term I that you use, it is that, the core and content of that I. Whatever you denote by the term I, it is that presence. Eka atma pratyasaram prapanchopasamam. That is the one which appeases all the agitations and turbulence, aspiration, greed, ambition, etc. caused by the world around. Prapanchopasamam, Shantam, most quiet, quiescent. Shivam Advaidam, auspiciousness. Advaidam, non-dual. Sa Atma, that is the self. Savijneya, to be known. Bah. और क्या चाहिए बाबा? कुछ नहीं चाहिए. हो गया. It is nothing in this world. It is no part of your body. It is nothing that you are referring to, you think of, you understand. But still it is. It is as much as the I is. As much as you are. You exist. You are present. So it is inseparable. Inseparable.